Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the fastest way to create a Facebook page that gets you noticed. Whether you're a business owner or creator or just want a separate space for your passion, this simple guide will get you set up in minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, open up the Facebook app on your phone. This works on iPhone and Android, and the steps are super similar on a computer too. Just head to facebook.com. Now look for your main menu. If you're on iPhone, it's the menu button in the bottom right corner. Or on Android or computer, you'll find it in the top right. Tap on that to see all your options. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of shortcuts. We're looking for pages, which is often represented by a small orange flag icon. If you don't see it right away, tap on see more to reveal all your options. Got it? Great. Tap on the pages icon. Look for the create button on the top left of your screen and tap on it. Facebook will ask you if you want to create a professional or personal page. For most of you, a professional page is the right choice. So let's select that and hit next. Now you'll be prompted to switch your existing profile to professional mode. But since we want a brand new page, let's select create new page and hit next again. This is where you give your page an identity. Choose a clear, catchy name. For this example, let's call it Know My Techs YouTube. And hit next. Next, pick a category that best describes your page. Let's search for categories, type in educational. And done. You can always change this later. Once you've picked your categories, tap create. Facebook will now create your page. It will prompt you to add details like bio, website, and contact info. While it's good to fill these in eventually, you don't have to do it all at once. For now, you can just tap next and bypass all these steps. You can even skip adding a profile and cover photo for now. Just tap next and then done. Congratulations, you've just created a brand new Facebook page. It's live and ready for you to build your community. From here, you can start inviting friends, creating posts, and editing your page's look whenever you're ready. Ever wonder how you can lock your Facebook profile? Check out this video to learn how.